Hey there, welcome to today's video where we tackle a common problem that many of us face. So imagine this. You need to hide a specific folder on your Mac from prying eyes while you're not around, right? The struggle is real, my friends, but fear not, because we've got some solutions up our sleeves. So let's dive into the solution. When you create a disk image from a folder on your Mac using hdiutil, you might find that the size of the image is slightly larger than the space used by the folder. If you want to resize the disk image, hdiutil in macOS Catalina might not cut it. But hey, don't worry, you can easily adjust the size using the hdiutil command. Just type in hdiutil resize1gstuff.dme to set the size of your read-write image file to 1 GB. Easy peasy, right? Problem solved. In summary, hiding a folder on your Mac can be a breeze with the right tricks up your sleeve. Remember, when creating a disk image from a folder, the size of the image might be slightly larger than the original folder size. To resize the disk image, use the hdiutil command like a pro. And don't forget, you can also create different types of disk images, like sparse disk images or sparse bundle disk images, which can grow as you add more files. So there you have it, folks. Stay tech savvy and keep those folders safe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a clever comment below. Catch you in the next one.